You can't! Oh my god! Woohoo! That sounds lit.
Hello, so we are off to Skylar's house today to finally get the side exit exhaust done. I didn't take my camera to his house, but we actually cut out the carpet, if you can see. It's super thick and there's so much foam, but that's the area where the box is going to be. We made a cardboard template of the metal box that's going to be there. So we're cutting out, you know, that slab of metal, well not all of it, but a good amount of it, and welding in a box. And then maybe if we have time, which we should technically, because it's like 9:30 a.m., so we should get everything done. We're gonna run and get piping to just straight pipe out the side. So yeah, this car's pretty loud right now, but I really can't wait to see what it is once it doesn't have a muffler technically. Hi, this is Skylar.
Yeah.
The end. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in.
Headers, or not open headers, just open mid-pipe. Open mid-pipe.
I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.
Yeah.
So
This is the tunnel.
I'm probably
to the
gonna
floor.
cut it like, well, like that seems good.
Yeah, a little bit more.
A little
That'll
more?
leave you that. No. I mean like that. Like that's fine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah.
This is the tunnel that goes in there. We already tested it, but I forgot to record. But you can see there's a hole right there and a hole right there in the car. Let me get the light. You can see that it fits. So now we marked it so that we can cut off excess metal because we measured more than we needed because you know it's obviously better that way. And yeah, I went out and got exhaust parts. This is my old axle back that I'll be selling, but it's 2.5 piping, so it goes from the existing exhaust, 2.5 90-degree bends, and then just 2 pipes straight out the side. He welded up the box at 2 a.m. last night, so it's all nice and box itself. And then he welded it to here and grinded it down, so it's actually like really nice looking, as you can see. And it's all solid, and he can stand on it. If you want to do that, we have to do it again. To do one for the phone and one for the camera. You can literally stand on it and it literally rocks the whole entire car. So it's good enough. Now I got from Home Depot the seam sealer I use for the quarter panels to fill all the way on the side because the floor is too thin. Yeah, because I cut it wrong here, but either way the floor is so thin that it keeps blowing out over here. So yeah. Seam sealer I did for the quarters to go all the way around everything to fill up the gaps and stuff because it's burning through the floor, like I said, because it's too thin. So yeah, and that'll work because my quarters are sealed with it and they don't get any water or anything at all, and it becomes solid rubber. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now.
I'm essentially Andre's replacement, essentially. I cut this. I used a grinder from Harbor Freight, and
It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. It's supposed to grow.
this is the exhaust, and there's a hammer.
These are welding tips.
This is
Wait, but the main question is, if it's just a tip, does it count? Lightly primered it now, just because it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days, so I just want to protect it. But I'll clean it up and spray the thick rubber bed lining type shit in there soon. Got the exhaust hanger on there.
Exhaust.
Look at this.
Supposed to move on.
It has the gap.
We cut it out a lot because I'm still gonna do a different side skirt and I'll shave it to be part of it. So this is just roughly.
Move out the way, Derek!
No, don't start it! You can't!
Oh my god!
It's really smoky.
Yeah, it's the pipes from inside.
Oh, yeah.
It does not sound bad at all.
No, it does not.
Not the hood. I mean the trunk, sorry. I didn't, oh, ow, my finger! I'm sorry. Sorry, I didn't do that on purpose. I'm sorry. That was really heavy too, probably. I'm sorry. About to rev it up. Let's see how it sounds.
Right out. Oh my god.
I like it. Wait, one more time, one more time. One more.
Andre, come here.
So yeah, that was my adventure. Yeah, this thing's pretty loud. I mean, I'm in 4th gear right now, but yeah, it's a little bit loud. I love it though. It sounds really nice. It reminds me of something old and exotic. I know it's weird, but like those old Ferraris or something like that. I don't know, but it's all weird because it comes out of my right ear, or I hear it out of my right ear. But there's a little tunnel right here coming up, so I'll just give you a quick sound clip. Wow, that is really loud. So thank you so much for watching. It's a long video, although it's probably not because I didn't have a chance to film too much and my tripod cracked in half, or Dan's tripod cracked in half. Sorry, Dan. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, etc., share. You know, this build is only going to get more intense as the time goes on.